Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking this video and deciding to watch this video. I hate my YouTube voice. So today I'm going to be doing a cranberry look for you guys. I feel like I haven't done one in a long time, so here it is. Very cranberry, very kind of emo. I feel like I look kind of emo today, but I'm digging it. Anyway, stay tuned. And here's the video. First things first, you're gonna wanna prime your eyelids, and I'm gonna be taking MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. And since I ain't got no nails, I'm just gonna use my fingers for this. We're gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. I always start with the eyes because just in case there's like fallout or anything, I can just wipe it off. And then we're good. So I haven't done a cranberry look in a little bit, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. And please excuse my hair. It's in this like really weird messy braids because I'm trying to curl my hair. I'm gonna start off with my Hella Messy palette from Anastasia. This is the Modern Renaissance palette, and just taking a... do I have one? Taking a clean fluffy brush. I'm just gonna be taking this light purple lavender transition shade and pop that all over my transition. And then taking Venetian red, which is kind of like a fuchsia pink, cranberry, I guess I should say. I'm gonna be taking that and popping it over my crease. Okay, and then the next thing that I'm gonna do is taking this dark brown color. Actually, no, I'm not taking that. Maybe I'm gonna take from the Heat palette, duh. I'm gonna take this shade over here and Fuego and pop it in the corner just to kind of deepen it up a little bit. Oh my god, I look so crazy, but it's whatever because I'm finna go to work, and it's okay if you look crazy at work because I don't know. Okay, I'm just trying to find, like, I'm supposed to wash my brushes today, but I didn't because I took a nap instead. I'm just gonna wet my brush real quick and take Scorched from the Heat palette. I'm just gonna load up my brush and I'm gonna pop that all over my crease. And my mirror is too far from me, so I'm gonna try to use my messy mirror from this palette. So I have to be honest with you guys, but I actually miss using the Heat palette. I haven't been reaching for it a lot just because I realize that in a lot of my videos or even in my everyday life, I reach for this so much that I don't know, I'm getting really bored of the color scheme. Kind of, not really. You know, I always want to try to do something crazy and creative. I've kind of put this little baby aside, but obviously she's back better than ever. I have to get another one for me because this one is getting beat up. So going back in with that deep purple shade, I'm just gonna again like diffuse the ends so that it doesn't just abruptly cuts off. And then going back in with that lid color brush, just keep working in that corner. And then I really want to add more glitter to my eyes. So I'm going to be taking my Moondust palette from Urban Decay. And I'm going to take Element over here and I'm going to pop that all over my lid. And I'm just going to take that same lid color. You could totally wet your brush for this to intensify it, but mine is already somewhat damp still, so it's fine. Oh, you guys can't see it. It's got like pinks and orange shimmer. Oh my gosh, it's exactly what I needed. All right, so I'm gonna hold off on the eyes for now because I want to finish off my face before I start doing the rest of my eye. I'm gonna skip the whole primer scene today. I actually haven't been priming my face lately because I feel like the primers that I've been using have been skewing my foundations, so we don't want that to happen today. So I'm just gonna jump right in, and I'm so sorry, I'm like talking and trying to pull it out. I'm so sorry, hold on. Okay, so actually before I put on my foundation, I'm just gonna take some of this Strobe Cream by MAC and just apply all over my face. And then after that, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. And this is in the shade 220. Just taking some. You guys already know the drill. But I'm just going to spread it all over my face and then blend it out with a buffing brush. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be mixing this Too Faced concealer called Born This Way, and I'm in the shade medium. I'm going to put a little bit of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard because I feel like my Too Faced concealer is not light enough. And I like my under eyes a lot lighter than the rest of my face. I'm just going to mix a little bit of that in there. A little bit or a lot. Maybe a lot. And then just like very little on my T-zone. I've been on this whole cream contour kick again, so I'm gonna do just that. And I'm gonna be taking this LA Girl concealer that is obviously a few shades darker than me. It's called Beautiful Bronze, and that's what I use to cream contour. I've been obsessed again with this. My sponge is not damp. I'm not even gonna lie, my sponge is not damp because once I sat down and I started filming, I totally forgot to wet my sponge, and I'm not gonna get up to wet my friggin' sponge. Obviously, it's not working the same way, but it's manageable. And then if it's not working well, just take a foundation brush and just let that do its magic. Like that. And now, the next thing that I'm going to do is set my entire face before my under eyes start creasing. I'm going to be taking a little bit of this Laura Mercier powder and just set under my eyes, especially in the corner. And for the rest of my face, I'm just going to be taking this Fit Me powder in 245 just to set the rest of my face. I'm so hungry. Next, I'm going to take this Basquiat palette and I'm going to be bronzing my face. I'm going to do my nose a little bit. And then since I have the palette open, I'm going to take that NoHo blush and use that to blush my cheeks. Just like that. And then I'm going to quickly dust off that bake and kind of blending out the edges of that blush. There we go. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my highlighting brush and, sorry, I'm going to be taking Fenty highlighter. This is in Mean Money and Hustla Baby. And I'm going to take Hustla side and use that to highlight my face today. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I am nice and close to the camera. But I'm going to be taking Ka-Brow gel. But this is Benefit's Ka-Brow gel, I'm going to call it. Oh, there you go. Cream Gel Brow color with brush. And I am in the shade number 5. So I'm just going to take the actual brush that comes with the product and line the bottom. So this is honestly the weirdest thing. This is gel, and then like once you dip it in, whatever, like it feels soft and smooth. But once I apply it on my eyebrows, it almost feels like it's powder. It's the weirdest thing. It applies like it's powder, but then it looks so rich and so sharp. I can't talk and do a straight line at the same time. So I'm going to shut up, but I'm just going to be doing my brows with this. Also, just a little tip for those of you who have not used this before, you actually only need a little bit. It's crazy. It's so pigmented, but it blends nicely. All right, so now that we are almost done, it's time to go back in with the eyes. So taking the Modern Renaissance palette once again and just taking like a flat brush. I'm gonna be going back in with that Venetian red color and popping it all on my waterline. Woo! Too much, too much. Too much. That's okay. Too little, too little! And then now that we have that, I'm just gonna take my finger and literally like get rid of half of that. And then taking a clean brush, just gonna blend that out. And then the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is deepening up the corners. So going back in with that red shade, just gonna put that on the outer parts of my eyes. I'm going to be lining my eyes with a black pencil. And then pop on a little bit of mascara. And to finish off the bottom lash, I'm going to be taking this glitter liner from Urban Decay. And this is in the shade Junk Show. And I'm going to put a little bit just in the inner half of my waterline. We're basically done. The only thing that I'm gonna do now is pop on some lashes. So I will be right back. Alright, so now that I have my lashes on, let's do the lips. I'm thinking I kind of want to match the pink on my eyes. But honestly, I don't even know if I have a color like this. So, oh my god, look how bad this one looks. Wow. Alright, let me just sharpen her a little bit. Okay, let's see if this will look good. Okay, I think this will work. And then just to top it off, I'm going to be taking this little NARS thing. I don't even know what the shade is, but it's basically like a pink. Okay. Wow. I haven't worn glossy lips in a very long time, so this is kind of weird. But anyways, there's glue all over my contacts. Anyways, I'm going to lock everything in with this all-nighter spray. And totally drench your entire face with this because it just makes everything come together. All right, you guys. So this is my completed look. I'm not going to be taking out my hair just yet because I know for a fact that my really straight, silky Asian hair is not going to be curly enough right now. So I'm just going to leave it on a little bit longer until I have to get out of the house. But this is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Or follow me on Instagram again because I'm mostly active on there. And yeah. Thank you again for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!